Hi, Be.
Okay, next, anong steak yan?
Ano lang to, sir? Parang...
Ngayon, pagtapos nito, makoveran na ba lahat? Or...
Makakover po siya lahat po
Okay.
talaga siya, sir. Pero live pa lang.
Live pa lang,
siya.
okay.
Yes po. Kasi po sa second session po kasi check ni Sir Nico kung paano po nag-feel yung nutrients sa Scalpino. Kung ida-darken pa po ba ni Sir Nico, or ganun po.
Okay.
Yes po.
Tapos yung third, pang ano na lang yun, parang kung perfectin na lang yun.
Yes po, kung gusto niyo po ipababa.
Pati sa hairline, sila rin mag-design ba kung paano yung hairline?
Eh, i-draw po mamaya ni Sir
Ah.
Nico po. So, pag-uusapan po yung dalawa kung okay po yung shoes.
Pinapipili ako ano muna yung
Pro Scalp. Yun naman si Doug. Si Doug ata dun sa Pro
Kaya lang
Scalp.
kasi dito mas accessible kasi Skyway na pagbaba.
Yes.
Doon naman kasi parang tipol, ang layo.
Oo, malayo.
Ganun po yung mga client ko talaga, sir. Yun po yung pinagpipilian nila. Pero
Location.
dito po sila pupunta kasi medyo malayo po kasi.
Pero nung chinat GPT natin, parang siya yung number one eh, di ba? Nag-recommend talaga.
Oo, parang siya din. Kahit mas mahal siya sila rin. Pagka tato, bawal muna ako mag-cut.
Yes po, sir.
So, bawal yung maarawan.
After 4 days po, pwede na kayo mag-cut. Pero yung clean cut po siya lagi.
Okay.
Yes po, kasi baka po kasi ma-infect yung sugat.
Oo.
Pa-deliver. Pina-deliver na rin namin yung mama list. Yan. Kainin ko yung lasag.
Well, what we'll do now is I'll clean your scalp, tapos we'll take pictures, look for you know how much to post without asking permission, and then after that we'll draw the hairline, tapos pag okay na yung hairline, we'll take pictures of the hairline, tapos good, we'll start na tayo.
Okay.
Ikaw din yung gumawa po kay Derek Ramsey.
Yes, change out lang po ito. We did this back in 2022. Pero pinapahaba niya yung hair niya eh.
Oo, nakikita ko nga sa Instagram niya eh.
So may mga shoots siya tsaka projects na gusto daw mahaba yung buhok niya. So
Oh.
wala tayong magagawa. Across, all the way you stand up straight. And then look at yourself, parang straight din. Parang almost at a flat plane siya. Pero yun, may slight dip lang dito sa baba. May stinging yung
Wala naman. Sanay ako sa sakit.
I have a high tolerance for pain.
Yeah, so kung may stinging throughout the day ganyan, makulit siya ng konti, you'll probably feel it parang after shave.
Okay.
Normal lang yun. By tomorrow niyan, siguro, baka wala na, pero it will still feel tender pag nahawakan mo. And then, next week, baka normal na yung pakiramdam. Pero baka may itching din naman ang naman.
Basta the Tuesday, wala mo nang basahan din.
Yeah.
Okay. Puro lang yung...
Bad dry.
Pero yeah. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thanks.
Looking forward to the next session.
Yeah.
Para
Thank you, Sir Rico.
makita ko talaga. Just video, okay lang naman.
Picture.
Thank you.
Ganda. Like sa natural light, ang ganda yun.
Parang siya totoo.
Amazing.
Yung pa siya, pero yeah, yung third session talaga,
Oo.
mas mag-improve pa siya. Pero before that, bigyan lang natin more time to heal.
Yeah.
Masanay ka pa sa overall look. Tapos yun, bigyan mo ako ng feedback kahit feel mo na kahit na pag-usapan natin na yung corners or yung height ng hairline or mukhang tayo. Then, kahit anong observation na meron ka. Para pwede natin mag-discuss. So magmumukha siya ulit live in the next few days kasi hahaba yung hair, mas soften siya. Pero when you buzz down, yun, mas makikita.
Para siyang totoo. Para siyang yung
Saan ba dito pag late mo na?
Para siyang totoo. Hindi ka mo
Galing. Hi guys! So we're here at San Jaime at Alabang Town Center. Dito kami kakain pero siya kasi hindi siya pwede mag-seafood or mag-beef. So I ordered their tonkatsu set. So it comes with miso soup, yung cabbage, and then rice and watermelon. And then order ko ng salmon sashimi. Super sarap. Napaka-fresh nung salmon nila. And then ikaw, siya umorder siya ng katsu nun. Which she never orders. Pero kasi ngayon, bawal siya ng beef muna kasi ginagout siya. Ayan.
Sarap, sarap.
Thank you. We'll keep in touch naman for any questions or concerns. Sure. Contact me lang kami.
Good morning! Today is Saturday, it's August 16th. So we're on the way to the dentist. My appointment is at 8, so early. So I'm gonna get my veneers installed today. Finally! Yay! I'm so excited. Ayan, hanap muna kami ng Starbucks na malapit. So coffee muna tayo before anything else. Siguro bilang ko na rin ng coffee sila, Doc. Starbucks.
Hi, good morning, this is Jason. Can you get me today?
Good morning. Dalawang cafe latte na grande,
Ice.
ice.
Okay.
Ikaw, babe.
Okay.
Isang mocha prop,
Nung
pa-blend na
whipped
nung
cream.
whipped cream.
Sure
oo.
po, no problem.
Tapos yung sugar niya yung pinakamababa lang.
Ayan, dinalan muna namin ng Starbucks sila, Doc. So, kakatapos na namin sa dentist and I love my teeth. Look. I love them. What did you say, Papa?
Congratulations. I'm happy for you.
You're happy for me?
Super duper.
Thank you so much for waiting 5 hours for me.
Boodle girl.
Medyo matagal lang yung procedure. So, we started mga 8:30 or I think almost 9 and then natapos kami mga 12:30 na. I think it looks white on camera pero in person, it looks really natural. Sobrang ganda. I loved how it turned out. So, super galing na Doc. He's super OC when it comes to the trimming and polishing. I think yun yung what makes the veneers look natural.
Ayun,
So, minake sure nga talaga na babagay sa face ko and also yung length ng teeth talagang medyo pa ulit-ulit kami dun. Tinitrim niya pa to make sure na maging natural looking siya. Every 6 months, nire-recommend talagang akong bumalik doon for for buffing and polishing. And yun, para just for regular upkeep ng veneer. I went to another dentist before and yung kinote sa akin for I think only 5 units, parang mga nasa 100,000 pesos na. And this doctor, parang narinig ko lang siya sa isa kong friend, ni-recommend lang din siya sa akin. Nakita ko kasi yung teeth niya and nakita ko parang super natural looking lang and bagay din talaga sa face niya. So, naabutan ko pa yung promo nila. I think hanggang end of the month na lang. So, sa mga gusto magpa-veneers. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this though. So, baka hanggang end of August na lang. So, naka 10% off sila. Instead of 50,000 pesos for 10 units, 45,000 pesos na lang. So now, we're gonna go to Dampa. We just drove all the way from Pasig to Pasay. Yung traffic ngayon kasi umuulan. So, nagpapalibre siya ng seafood. Gusto niya daw magdampa. Oh my gosh, it's so baha. Look. Wow, super baha talaga dito lagi. Ano na, flood control of the Philippines. Okay, so guys, we'll see you at Dampa. We're gonna celebrate and order some seafood. So, I'm so excited kasi malapit na kami mag-pre-wedding shoot. And of course, sa wedding, dapat maganda yung teeth natin. So, super nakaka-boost talaga ng confidence kapag maganda na yung smile mo. Okay, bye. Gonna see you at Dampa.
Pump pressure on it, push it until it breaks again. Yeah, yeah. Do you feel it in your heart? Do you feel it pulse apart? 'Cause I wanna know before you go. She said when you wanna drive, I guess she made tonight. Yeah, that's my bad, that's my bad. I know I just misread. Maybe you can still stop by. I'm a little drunk and high. That's my bad, that's my bad. I know I just misread. Sometimes I'd like a little bit more peace of mind.
Okay, update guys. So, we found the gifts. Hindi na namin papakita kung ano yung gift na yon, pero super gusto talaga kasi namin i-gift sa principal sponsor something useful. Ayaw namin na parang itatapon-tapon na. So, ipapag-gift wrap na lang namin siya ng maayos. Maghahanap na lang kami ng maayos na gift wrap and then, yan, ibabox namin siya. I'm so happy. We took one thing off the wedding checklist again today. Next naman is yung gift namin for the bridesmaids and groomsmen. So ako meron akong gift idea matagal na. So siguro mga next week pa-purchase ko na lahat ng gift ko for the bridesmaids. Super ganda din talaga. Today is August 30. It's a Saturday. I'm taking you guys with me to Belleza Aesthetics in Poblacion, Makati. I'm super excited because I'm going to have a consultation with the famous Dr. XT. So I'm planning to get lip fillers done before the wedding and before our pre-wedding shoot. Hopefully it heals in time. Our pre-wedding shoot is on September 15. So today is August 30th. So sabi naman nila parang mga 2 weeks daw siya usually yung downtime. And yeah, so I'm planning to get lip fillers done, maybe a little Botox, depending on the consult later. I'll walk you through the whole experience from the consultation to the procedure itself and the results. Here's my driver. So, kakagaling lang namin kagabi. We went out with friends and nakauwi kami parang mga 4 a.m. na yata. So, medyo antok pa talaga. Hopefully, the consult goes well and siguro kakain na lang kami after and then we're gonna head home. Kasi nagpabook kami ng massage ng mga 8 p.m. Hi, for 1 p.m. appointment.
Second floor.
Morning. Good morning. Good afternoon.
Ma'am Veronica.
Yes. Opo.
Para sa lip filler and botox. First time po ito.
Yes.
Consult muna tayo dito kita po.
Sige po.
Tapos sir, then papasok ka na.
Thank you. So we just got here at Belleza Aesthetics and The vibe of the place is overall super cozy. So I'm about to meet Dr. XT for my consultation and I'm excited to see what he recommends. Hello.
Hi, good afternoon. Sige, upo ka.
27.
27 years old female. Okay, you've written down here, lip fillers and Botox, correct? Are you interested in doing such procedure or can you tell me your concerns?
Yeah, so yung lips ko, yung upper lip ko kasi to, parang as you can see, parang super thin kasi. So gusto ko parang medyo ma-enhance yung lips ko.
Mm-hmm.
And parang gusto ko siya sana gawin before the wedding. So wedding kasi
Kailan wedding
namin,
mo?
December 30.
Matagal pa naman.
Yeah, pero doc, may pre-wedding shoot kami ng September 15. So parang yung downtime niya ba magiging, yeah.
Sige, okay, ano pa? First time mo for fillers?
Yeah,
Never?
first time ko.
No previous fillers. Okay, ano pang concern mo sa labi mo?
Parang yun lang naman, Doc. Ay, Botox naman, Doc. Ito yung parang super insecurity ko din.
Taas ang kilay. Okay, I'm doing an assessment. Grabe, no?
Mhm.
Grabe din. First time mo rin sa Botox? if
Yeah.
ever. Okay, first time then. Sige, pag-usapan muna natin yung Botox. If it's your first time, this is a drug that we inject on the muscle to paralyze it. Okay? Bakit nag-a-appear yung lines sa face mo is because yung muscle underneath your skin nagko-contract. So it therefore folds the skin on top of it. So basically, it's just a band-aid solution to the wrinkles that you already have, no? Temporarily paralyzing the muscle para when you make these facial expression lines, no? Hibawas ang appearance. Okay, sige. Moving on to lip fillers. Now, if it's your first time, ito naman, ang difference sa Botox, we inject gels on your lips to plump it up to enhance the natural shape and volume. Now, I noticed that medyo manipis nga yung labi mo. So, wala namang kaso sa akin. I can do your lips because again, this is a very thin one. Madaling-madali, but nice shape naman already. So, definitely, it won't be that hard kasi hindi naman nakaganon yung labi mo.
Yeah.
No? So, it's very important na before you proceed with this procedure, nakita nyo na kung paano ko gumawa ng lips on our Instagram pages. If you don't agree with my style of doing it, I'm not the right injector for you. If you haven't seen it, basically when I do my lip fillers, I always focus my injections on the center. Hindi ako masyadong nag-inject sa side, no? Kasi ayoko lumapad, tignan yung labi.
Yeah.
Also, when I create the ratio, pantay ang upper at lower lip. So, as much as possible, hindi pwedeng mas malaki yung isa. So, ganun ang injections ko. That's how we stay natural to the anatomy mo. Wala tayong binabago. I-enhance lang natin what you already have. Para pag may questions ka sa akin regarding the aftercare, kompleto na yun kasi ako na gumawa nun eh.
Yes,
no?
okay.
So, we send it to our patients after the procedure, read it while waiting. So, then you can talk about it mamaya. But I've explained to you pretty much yung basic aftercare naman natin. Okay? So, ano pang questions mo, Veronica?
I think that's it.
Okay, when you're ready, hatid ka natin staff sa ating reception and I'll see you later for your procedure.
Alright.
Here's your updated treatment form.
Thank you, Doc. So here the staff is applying numbing cream to my lips for the fillers and also to my forehead and the top of my nose for Botox before the injections. While waiting for the numbing cream to kick in, I also got to try their Cavi Lipo to help burn stubborn fat. Super comfortable. And now they're removing the numbing cream, which means we're about to start. I wasn't able to film the actual procedure once Dr. XT was in the room, but everything went super smooth and the pain was totally tolerable. I'm honestly so happy how it turned out, even with the swelling. It'll go down in a few days. I also posted a full Instagram reel about my experience, so make sure to follow me on Instagram. Okay guys, so we're all done. And I wasn't able to take a video while Dr. XT was injecting my lips, but yeah, this is the final look. And yeah, my lips feel numb and swollen right now, but that's normal naman after filler. So, sabi ni Doc, may 2 weeks daw downtime, and yeah, there's a little bit of swelling. Pero overall, I really love the results. Grabe. Hindi lang ako sanay talaga na medyo may volume yung upper lip ko. Pero it really balanced my whole face out, and I'm super happy with the results. So, I love how subtle and, natural looking it still is. It was very tolerable, and in-assist talaga ako ni Doc all throughout the whole procedure, and very comfortable.
Wow.
guys. So, we're here at Rockwell Power Plant Mall. Oh, my lips are so swollen. What do you think of my lips, Baba?
Parang binugbog.
So, we're gonna find a toy store kasi di kami maka-attend nung birthday nung daughter ng friend namin.
Pump pressure on a